Hello and welcome to Ashford Castle Hotel on the west coast of Ireland. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my room number 329. This is one of my favorite hotels in the whole world. A little bit about it. The hotel dates from 1228, so the 13th century, or rather the castle dates from that long. It was previously in more recent history the home of the Guinness family. So it's one of the most beautiful, historically significant buildings in the entire country. Here I am. We've now gone into the bathroom. We got heated floors underfoot, which is just as well because they need to really insulate and protect this property. Those are the original stone walls way over there. Gives you an idea how deep it is. You have the original castle walls there by the shower as well. Toiletries are by Red Carnation Hotels' own brand. This is part of the Red Carnation Hotels collection. They also have properties in the UK, in Switzerland, and in South Africa. Moving through to the bedroom, as you can imagine, they've been heavily inspired by the castle history and heritage, and also grand old times more generally. In terms of how they've approached the interiors, those ceilings are so high up. I don't know if you can get a sense of the scale on this video. That's Murano glass chandelier over there as well. It's so beautiful and warming to have a flickering fire on the go as you rest in the room. Over here, this is your wardrobe space. I'll just show you quickly the minibar. Here we go, some of the products there. I should mention as well that I'm actually a travel advisor as well as a travel journalist and consultant, and I book luxury hotels around the world, including this one. So if you have questions, feel free to contact me. Here is your lounge area, view of the estate over there. It is a 600 odd acre estate, loads of robust, refreshing outdoor activities to enjoy, including falconry, equine activities, golf. You can go for walks with the Irish wolfhounds who live here. This is a chocolate confectionery showing one of them. And I did that today. It was great. We went for a walk by the lake, which I'm just going to show you. So the hotel is on the border of Loch Corrib. Loch Corrib is the largest lake in the Republic of Ireland. We have a beautiful, clear winter's day to see it. It's such a magnificent backdrop. You should Google the exterior of the castle because it looks phenomenal as well. Service here is amazing. I cannot recommend the place enough. And I hope you found the tour interesting. There you go. Quick look at room 329 at Ashford Castle in the west of Ireland.